name is Shreya Sharma and I am in final year of BCom.
Why did you choose to build a career in digital marketing?
As it is growing and there are very opportunities for job in this field, and to grow our business, digital marketing is very important on the online platform.
Why did you choose CGMM by Digital Vidya?
Ma'am, I researched about it and I also took feedback from a friend who did this course from Digital Vidya. So he told me that this is a good course and there are great opportunities in this.
Would you recommend Digital Vidya CDMM program to your friends?
For sure, because this is a good course.
Anything else you would like to share with others?
Uh, yes, you should do this course with Digital Vidya as it will help you increase your abilities. This will let you know more about the digital marketing